Dear students of class 10, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss respiration, topic respiration of chapter 1 life processes in your subject biology. First we define the respiration. Respiration is a physiological process. Physiological process that concerned with the activity ways. Respiration is physiological process with taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Oxygen is utilized for the oxidation of food to provide energy for the various activity of the organisms. There is a steps that is taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. The first step, taking oxygen and giving out CO2, and second is O2 is utilized for oxidation of food. Third is to giving energy, to give energy for the vital activities of the organism. So the definition, complete definition of respiration include three factors: taking oxygen and giving out CO2, and O2 is utilized for oxidation of food. A third is giving energy. That is three part of the complete definition of the respiration. Or taking oxygen and giving out CO2, that is the external respiration. We can say the breathing. Just taking oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. That is the gaseous exchange. On the surface of the lungs, there are a small tiny structures, that is the alveoli. And second is the O2 is utilized for the oxidation of food. This process is known as the internal respiration. Internal respiration. And third is the giving energy, that is the result of the respiration. The process includes the taking oxygen and giving out CO2, and oxygen utilized for the oxidation of food to give energy. Respiration is two types, aerobic and anaerobic, on the account of the presence of oxygen. When oxygen is present, then the respiration is the aerobic respiration. So most of the organisms respire in the presence of oxygen, but some of the organisms respire without oxygen. That process is known anaerobic respiration. There are two types of the respiration here. For that, for the respiration, the specific organs are required for the respiration. The respiratory organ. In the case of humans, there are the respiratory systems that includes the different organs concerned with the respiration. We discuss later about the respiratory system of man, but few points here in the context of the respiration. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, and the respiration, that means the taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. In the some of the case animals, respiration in the aerobic animals, that means they depends on the oxygen. Organs for the gaseous exchange. The general In some of the organism, the gaseous section, that means the taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide by the general body surface in the case of amoeba. And some of the organisms, that is the aquatic animals, fishes, there is the respiratory organism, gills. In insect, the respiratory organs are trachea. In the man, in the higher organism, the respiratory organs are lungs. That are the organs that concern with the respirations. Types: aerobic and anaerobic. Respiratory organs in some animals amoeba, through the GBS, general body surface. The amoeba take oxygen by the general body surface and out of CO2 through the general body surface, general GBS, general body surface, by the process that is the simple diffusion methods. In the case of the feces through the gills. You have seen the gills in the neck region of the fish. There are the fan-like gills is found in the feces. In the neck regions, there the gills exchange that gases. Taking gills take oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide. Gills take oxygen that dissolve in water and diffuse CO2 in the water. By this process, the gases takes place in the feces through the gills. In the other organisms like insect, there are the trachea. So most of the organisms that respire, because that is a life is essential and life process. Respiration is the life process, one of the life process. We can't live, and the organism can't live without respiration, without taking oxygen. And in the case of the plants also take oxygen in the respiration and leaving CO2 uh, by the general surface, that is the stomata are present of the plants, and stomata are the small pores on the body of the plants. In plants, stomata are the organs for gaseous exchange. On the surface or on the stem of the plants, the small pore-like structures are found. That is the pore stomata that take oxygen. This pore this is stomata, the pore-like structures, and that is surrounded by the guard cell. Guard cell, and these pores are the numerous. The stomata are numerous on the stems of the plant. Through that, the gaseous exchange takes place. Plant take oxygen and giving carbon dioxide out, and are different tiny pores also present on the plant's body as a lenticell cuticles. They are also involved in the and they also help in the gaseous exchange. In the case of plant have not distinct respiratory system. So dear student, so you make notes that already nutrition is happened and respiration the second topics. Today next day I discuss next topics, and you must make notes of the chapter 1 and show me through the WhatsApp. Next day the topic will be respiratory system of man. Thank you.